Welcome back, guys, to part 2 of my previous vlog. So, after filling up our tummies in McDonald's, we decided to explore few local spots of Nagpur city. So, I'm showing them now the Seminary Hills area, and then we'll show my bachelor's college as well because it's on the same route, and then the famous Futala Lake as well. So, we are now in Seminary Hills and moving towards my college. So we have arrived at the Futala Lake. These are our food stalls around it. So that's the auditorium kind of seating to watch the fountain water show. That's the fountain show. Moving ahead.
Oh, green corridor.
So that's the recently developed structure of Futala Lake.
Dedicated to the Ellsworth people.
And that's the shops, that all are the shops. So after exploring few local places, we came back, and look at my dog, how excited he is to have us back. And we are back home. Everyone is a little bit tired, so everyone is thinking to take a quick nap and she wants to go to Zudio. Let's see what we plan next. So we are going to Zudio because Sanika wants to shop something. So we are heading to Zudio now and quickly buy whatever she wants and then get back home because they have to leave in few hours. So we are going to Zudio now.
I want to go to Zudio because I want to take gift for Anushri. I should have taken it in Thane, but I jinxed it. And here I am buying it last moment. I know that she wants a pant, which I have, and she wants to twin with me.
Just checking few things around in Zudio. She liked these shoes. So we're gonna try them.
They increase my height.
To increase her height, she says. So we have shopped 2 jeans from Zudio.
One for her and one for
Yeah, she got 1 jeans for me. And now we are heading back. We just had pani puri because she wanted to have it very badly. Though we were full, very full, but still we wanted to have pani puri.
cravings.
Cravings.
Needed to satisfy our cravings.
And we got the famous Santra Barfi of Nagpur. So she has got few packets to take back to Thane for her friends and relatives.
Nagpur आए और ये नहीं लिया तो
Yeah, true. If you come to Nagpur and don't get this,
take from Hira Sweet.
yeah, we got it from Hira Sweets because we personally like all the sweets from here. So that's why. कसं वाटलं तुम्हाला नागपूरला येऊन काका?
नाही, खूप छान वाटलं. मी आधी एकदा सुद्धा आलो होतो. विशेष करून तुमच्या कुटुंबासोबत जो वेळ घालवला तो मला खूप आवडला.
And a mandatory crying session before going because it was the time for them to leave. So they are ready to leave. They have a train at 8:30. So I will be dropping them to the station. How did you feel coming to Nagpur?
I had a great time. I will really miss everybody in this family and Simba as well.
Yeah, she loved Simba. Shimba also loves him. So loves her. Did you love Nagpur?
I loved every bit of it. I loved the warmth by Kaka Kaka. The one thing which I hate is just this face.
Oh,
I hope I
okay.
don't see it soon.
You can see, guys, she's lying. If she would have loved me, she wouldn't have come to
I
Nagpur.
came for Kaka.
Oh. एक लक्ष इकडे. And Simba is not at all happy.
मी आला तेव्हा आपण आलो तेव्हा
And we have reached the station. Just quickly drop.
हा, मला पण ते आवडतं असं करायला.
And just dropping them till their coach B8 to visit again.
Yes, we will. You come to our house.
Yes, I'll definitely come again.
We are meeting in 3 days.
Yeah, we are meeting in 3 days. Yeah, so we are going back to Melbourne in 3 days, and fortunately our flight timings are also like bit same. So yeah, we'll be meeting at the airport only, and then going home together. See you soon. Bye.
येस अच्छा बाळा.
Bye, Kaka. Bye, Kaku.
ए
Kaku. Bye. And I am back home. I dropped Sanika and her family safely at the railway station, and they are on their way to Thane. Just came back home, but the home feels empty. Yeah, 4 days were so amazing, and didn't expect that it will go like so quick. So the home feels empty, and also Simba was searching for everyone when I came back, because there was no one in the other rooms and as well, and every other place. So yeah, feels a bit weird, but yes, we enjoyed a lot. We all had very great, really a very great time, and hope to do more such kind of trips or meetups soon. And I also hope that her family enjoyed here as well, and also my home city. So that was all for the 4 days that we spent together, and I'll see you soon in my next vlog. Till then, stay tuned and do subscribe my channel, guys, if you like the videos. Thank you so much for your support. Bye bye, guys.